5-minute fillers. What are they, and how do I use them to promote communication and language?
5-minute fillers are quick and easy activities using items or routines from your classroom or home. During the activity, you will use core vocabulary from your student's AAC device or core board to make comments as you interact and, more importantly, have fun.
They were developed by Assistiveware, and you're going to want to check out all the great resources at assistiveware.com. And the good news is that 5-minute fillers utilize many research-based strategies for AAC. The reality is, it can be really difficult to come up with good core-based comments when you're in the middle of an activity.
Instead, use the 5-minute filler template to plan your comments in advance. Check out this 5-minute filler from Assistiveware. Who knew there were so many comments to make about balloons? Once you've planned your comments, it's time to get started. Grab your core board or your student's device, and don't forget to have fun. Your job is to make comments using AAC.
Okay, let's play with the blocks. I'm gonna
Good. Here.
Oh, I need some more.
More.
I'm gonna
Good. Here.
put this one over here.
I want more.
I want more. Ooh, I put
Good.
that one
On.
on.
As for your students, they don't have to do anything at all unless they want to. They might make a comment,
On.
That's right. I put it on. You're right.
or they might not.
Let's put
Good. On.
this one on. Oh,
Oh.
oh.
They might say something completely unexpected.
Let's pick it all up and
Good. More.
put more
On.
on. And
On.
this one's going on.
All.
If that happens, you're going to attribute meaning. And that just means respond to what they said as if they meant it.
All. Do you
Want.
want
All.
all the blocks? There you go. There's all the blocks.
And remember, we want independent communicators, so don't use hand-over-hand prompting, please. Also, don't ask your students to imitate or make them talk.
Say on. It's
On.
right here. Say it. Say it. Press here.
And if they're not engaged, change up the activity. Now it's time to create your own 5-minute filler, but don't worry, you got this.